Today we're going to be opening up the 151 Japanese Scarlet and Violet set. My hands, it's only 4 packs, and that's all I was able to get from this Pokemon vending machine that I found randomly at a Mexican supermarket. But anywho, let's get to the video. I have no idea why I am so nervous to open up this set. Like I mentioned before, there are God packs, and this is my first time ever opening up anything Japanese on the channel. So here's our 4 packs here. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. So it's got all the 151 Pokemon on the package. That's pretty cool. All right, let's open one of these up. Whew, I am excited. So I don't know the pack trick, so I'm gonna just go ahead and go straight through it. Wow. All right, here we go, guys. I am looking forward to seeing what we have here. So this is a reverse, and it looks like we have Pokeballs printed on the reverse cards. Beautiful. And we have a Gyarados as our, I believe that's the rare. Yes, it is. As our holo rare. All right. Let me grab some sleeves here. I am very nervous. I don't know if you can tell. My hands feel a little clammy. But beautiful artwork. The more, I'm starting to really like Gyarados. Gyarados is probably one of my least favorites growing up, but ever since I've been searching for that Gyarados on the Scarlet and Violet base set and have not pulled yet, I've just, I don't know, I've come to fall in love more and more with it. All right. A Magmar. We have a Meowth, and with the Pokeball as the reverse, and behind it we have a Vaporeon. All right. Okay, so it looks like it's 2 cards. I thought it was 1. So looks like it's 2. So for the next pack, I'll be better prepared. Beautiful. Looks like we're getting nothing but water types for the rares. Oh, so we have 1, 2 to the front. All right, here we go. And we will continue. Oh, look at that, a seal sleeping, passed out. All right. And behind it, we have the rare, a Rattata. I'm assuming all reverse holos come with Pokeballs. They just come with different Pokeballs. Believe that was a Master Ball for Meowth. And behind it, we have a Zapdos EX. All right. All right. I would love to pull a Charizard. I'm gonna start searching and seeing if I can find any more, maybe a booster box of the 151 Japanese. These are fun to open. Now, this is very nostalgic, and I really enjoy just keeping it simple to the 151 Pokemon. Look at that. He is back. Finally. Kadabra is back. Beautiful. Alright. There goes Magikarp. Mouth. And Bulbasaur as the reverse. Alright. Beautiful card. And behind it, I really do like the artwork. Behind it, we have... Alright. We have another, just a normal holo, but I will take it. And here are the... So we have 2 EX cards and then just 2 holos. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's content, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button on the way out, and if you want to see more, click on one of the 2 videos, and like always, until next time, adios.